Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Neogen Chemicals. Is it a multi-bagger or one should avoid the stock? So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Neogen Chemicals, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And if you can pay $100 upfront, then you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months, so that's 25% extra you get. For detailed market or company talk or a number of stocks you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out. Now about the company. Established in 1993, Neogen Chemicals produce bromine-based chemical compounds. Different products include organic bromide compounds, specialty chloro compounds, advanced intermediaries, Grignard reagents, lithium salts, etc. Usage are in various industries such as tires, defense, electronics, pipes, manufacturing, capital goods, etc. The market cap of the company is around 2000 crores, so it's a small cap company that is doing reasonably well on the numbers front, and the stock has been consolidating. So, overall, it looks like a very good company to probably invest into from a longer term point of view. But let's understand more deeper about the numbers, etc. So if you look at the financials, and these are Q4 numbers, so just the March numbers that went by, sales went up by around 12-13%, profit went up by around you can say 2 crores, so that's around 28-27%. Debt has increased, and that is a deterrent at the moment for me to probably get into the stock. There's decent promoter and institutional holding with only 9% free float, which is good. ROE of around 20%, operating profit margin of 18% is not magnificent in this industry, but not also bad, is pretty decent. So how has been the stock performance? So basically stock has tripled in 3 years, and that is my bone of contention, that the stock has already gone from 300 to 900. China emission bans has been a big positive for all the chemical companies, as has been for Neogen. Have been hitting new highs consistently and has been doing extremely well. So there would come a time where it would probably consolidate, etc. Currently it is trading at 60 times FY21 EPS, and that is my concern. That is slightly expensive in valuation. I would have loved to seen it between around 35-40 times, so it is expensive. And see, bromide intermediaries is in demand, hence it is soaring. So once this demand settles down, the stock will also settle down. Once the demand declines, then the stock may fall. Another thing is that if if there are other companies producing the same kind of products, which at the moment exporting such kind of products is not that easy, and that's why Neogen is doing it, and they are probably the market leaders in it. But if this doesn't you can say remain, if this you can say competitive advantage doesn't remain, then the stock will fall. So in that regard, it's not difficult to see other companies getting into the same domain of businesses, and that's why in my opinion I would not get into the stock at these valuations. So it fell 50% in the March 2020 fall, but has recovered tremendously from those fall. But I believe that it has run up a lot. It has had its major run and it is consolidating. Yes, it will have another move for sure later on, but not in the immediate future. That's what I feel. So if you look at the technicals of the stock, then 750 to 800 is a major support, currently at 860, 865. So considering the you can say price point, technically these are decent levels to get into. If you get it around 800, even better. Major support lies around 620, 650. So probably you can keep a deeper stop loss at 620, 650 if you're holding. See, it will have a major up move above 950 or at new highs, so that's when if you want to buy technically for a big move, you can buy on new highs, kind of a situation. So I would avoid because of the valuations that it is trading at. If you have it, then hold with a 650 stop loss and probably buy around 800, 820. Have a 3 year view. Probably after consolidation it will do well, but there are other companies in the consumption sector which could continue to do well rather than buying into chemicals. So this was my video on Neogen Chemical. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my video straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.